Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to tackle a bit of a mold problem on the ceiling in the bathroom. As you see, hopefully you can see it. There's little bits of mold growing due to the shower. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is just try to wipe it off. Next, we're going to use some mold control. This is different from bleach because it encapsulates the mold. And we're simply going to spray it over our problem area. Now, if you notice there's some drips, we're going to want to wipe it down. So we'll wipe it down. Probably should have used a lint-free cloth, but this is what we need. The next step is to clean everything out. And what we're going to do next is scrape some of this bubbling paint. And for this, I'm just using a stiff paint scraper. That's pretty dusty. Looks like I need to clean it. And I think rather than taking these down, well, let's see. Yeah, rather than taking these down, I'm just going to tape. Now that we're taped off, we can move to putting some primer. Next, we're going to use some primer. Now, since this is an older can, and there's chunks around the outside here, I'm going to use a cheesecloth to strain it as it's being poured in. Just going to pop this off all over the place. That didn't go so well. Lucky we're in a bathroom and there's water right nearby. No big deal as long as you get to it quick before it dries. Grab a few paper towels. All right. Here what we're going to do is just cut in and we'll do the same on the other side here. The key to using these tools is to keep the wheels free and clear of any paint. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I got a drip on the wall. So I'm just coming by with a wet rag. And I've wiped it away. Nice and clean. I'll do the same over here because I got a drip over there as well. And now it's no big deal. Now that everything's been cut in, I can use the roller. In order to make sure that there's no lint, make sure you run a piece of tape across your roller. Take care of it. Now that we're ready to go, let's roll.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you. And if you've found this helpful, please like, subscribe, or comment.
So after an hour, we're all ready to go. Just need to let this dry, and then we'll get the sealing coat on. This again is just primer. Here we check our label, and it says we can paint within an hour. So it's 240. And this is just sealing paint. To latex again. We're going to open it up. And this is a mold and mildew additive to prevent mold growth. And shake it up. This treats 1 gallon. There are lots of different kinds of this on the market. You don't have to go with this brand. They'll all do something similar. And mix it in really well. And here it is. After 2 coats. plus the primer.